How to change location on GrubHub as a delivery driver. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can change location on GrubHub as a delivery driver. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, open up a browser in your device that can be either on your PC or on your mobile device. Navigate to the search bar and there type in GrubHub Support. Navigate to the first link on your interface. That's gonna take you to the GrubHub Support. Scroll down a bit and here you have a various section, and if you're a member of the press, you can have an inquiry on this address right here. So scroll through it and at last there is a section for customer care. So to submit your issue, you can use this address given here, that is help_me@grubhub.com. So copy the address here, and once you copy the address, now on your mobile device you can open up Gmail and create an email for this account right here explaining all of your issues. Explain your issues briefly, provide the reason why you want to change the location on GrubHub, and if asked, provide all of your account details as well. Once you're done with that, send your email to the GrubHub customer support or the GrubHub support. After that, GrubHub support will get back to you with some solutions, so make sure to follow the instructions properly. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.